Hello, dear listeners. Welcome to episode 3 of Honestly Lemonade. I'm your host, Guy Simpleton, and as you've probably guessed by now, my fantastic neighbor and co-host, Stephanie, is running late again. She really should consider setting her alarm clock a bit earlier. But fear not, because today's episode is a bit more freeform. We're trying something new and got me pretty excited. You see, I've been consulting with a podcast promotion company to help us boost our show's traffic. They've been providing us with some fantastic tips, and today we're going to dive into your email submissions and discuss them in episode 3. So let's get started and see what you've all been sending our way. Remember, you can always reach out to us at honestlylemonaide.com, and now, without further ado, let's explore the wonderful world of your submitted topics. Before we get into that, we will hear the promo scripted by this podcast promotion company.
Get ready for a podcast like no other. Honestly, Lemonade is back with a twist you won't believe. Explosions.
Shit, this car is stopped in the road.
We're talking heart-pounding action, suspense, and thrilling adventures that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Intrigue.
Ma'am, it's crucial that we discuss this matter right away.
Dive into a world of secrets, mysteries, and unexpected twists that will leave you guessing at every turn. Romance.
You miss me.
I'll always miss you, baby.
Join us as we explore the complexities of love, passion, and connection, because sometimes the sweetest stories are found in the most unexpected places. Don't miss a single episode of Honestly Lemonade as we embark on a journey filled with explosions, intrigue, and romance that will leave you craving more. Subscribe now and join us for the ride of a lifetime. Honestly Lemonade, where every episode is a delightful surprise waiting to happen.
I am not 100% sure if that is what I was expecting, but let's see if that is what it takes to work. And folks, I was a bit surprised when the podcast promotion company quoted us $3,000 for that promo. I mean, it's not like we're producing the next big blockbuster here, right? But hey, they seemed pretty confident that this investment would help us reach a wider audience. So let's keep our fingers crossed that our viewership will soar after this. Who knows? Maybe we'll become the next big thing in podcasting. Well, folks, look who finally made it. Stephanie's in the room. You just missed the promo written by the podcast promotion company. Steph, but fear not, you're just in time for the fun part.
Sorry, I had to ride my bicycle to and from work today.
No worries, Steph.
Well, Guy, it's quite the story. You remember how Catterick borrowed my car, right? Well, he left it parked on the merging lane of the 805 freeway, and it ran out of gas. A truck came along, and bam, it's a total loss.
Hey, that truly sucks. I would love to get into the details with you, but today we're diving into our email submissions. Our listeners have sent us some intriguing topics, and you get to pick which ones we discuss. It's going to be a blast. So do me a favor and jump on that laptop over there and pick a few emails from the inbox to open and talk about today. Thank you, and please.
Okay, let me check.
All right, Steph, let's get started. Open up that inbox and let's see what our listeners have sent us today. Any interesting topics?
Here's one that catches my eye. It's titled The Lawsuit.
The lawsuit, huh? Let's dive right into that one. Must have some thought-provoking conversation. What do we have there, Steph?
Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Guy, before we get into the lawsuit topic, there's something weird going on with our show's email account. I see an Amazon cancellation email and an Apple account charge notification.
That is strange, Steph. We definitely didn't make any Apple purchases or cancel anything on Amazon. What's going on?
I have no idea, but it might be worth looking into. Maybe someone's messing with our account.
We'll definitely need to sort that out after the show. For now, let's focus on our listeners' submitted topics. So what's the lawsuit all about?
Okay. Let me read the important parts here. It says, Dear Honestly Lemonade Podcast, we are filing a lawsuit against your show.
Against our show? What on earth is the lawsuit about?
Due to the incident involving Stephanie's car. The accident resulted in significant injuries and damages.
Wait, what? Steph, are you serious? This is no laughing matter. We need to address this immediately.
Stephanie is named personally as the defendant in this case. We hold your show responsible for the accident and its consequences. Our client is seeking compensation for medical bills, pain and suffering, and vehicle damages. You know, Guy, I think we might have a way out of this mess.
This is a serious matter, Stephanie. We need to figure out what happened and take the appropriate steps to address it.
What if we somehow manage to shift the blame onto Caderick?
Stephanie, that's quite a suggestion. How do you plan to do that?
Well, we know he left my car on the freeway and caused the accident. Maybe we can gather some evidence and make it look like it was all his fault.
And Steph, I'm not sure about this. It might not be ethical, and if we get caught, it could make things worse. Stephanie, is there any contact information in that email? Maybe we can reach out to the person who sent it and try to resolve this, perhaps even on air, making sure to mention it's being recorded.
Let me check. Yes, there's an email address and a phone number included. I suppose we could give them a call, but we need to be careful about how we handle this guy.
Absolutely. Steph, we don't want to make matters worse. Let's try to reach out and see if we can find a resolution. Well, sounds like it is ringing.
Hello, you've reached the offices of Winston, McKinney, Anderson, Johnson, Rodriguez, Smith, and Associates. Ella talking. How may I assist you today?
Hello? Yes, I'd like to speak to someone regarding the email we received about the lawsuit. Please note that this call is being recorded for our podcast, Honestly Lemonaide.
Mm-hmm. Can you please state your business, Mr. Simpleton?
Of course, I'm Guy Simpleton, the host of Honestly Lemonaide, and I'm calling on behalf of our show and our co-host, Stephanie.
I understand. Let me connect you to our attorney handling this case. Please hold for a moment.
Thank you for calling Winston, McKinney, Anderson, Johnson, Rodriguez, Smith, and Associates, where justice is our middle name. Did you know that our powerhouse legal team has recovered over $1 billion in settlements for our clients? That's right, folks. We're not just good, we're the best. In fact, we're ranked #1 in the state for settlements, and there's a reason for that. Our lawyers are fierce, our track record is unmatched, and when we step into the courtroom, the opposition knows we are going to eat their lunch. So sit tight, and one of our skilled attorneys will be with you shortly to discuss your legal needs. Thank you for choosing Winston, McKinney, Anderson, Johnson, Rodriguez, Smith, and Associates, where victory is the only option.
Hello, this is Jesse Rush, Justice Cassidy speaking.
Mr. Cassidy, thank you for getting back to us. We're really concerned about the situation. Can you give us more details about what's going on?
I'm representing a client named Eddie, a truck driver in the lawsuit against your show and Stephanie. Eddie was involved in a traffic accident with Stephanie's car. He claims that her car was left parked in a merging lane on the 805 freeway, causing the collision and resulting in serious injuries.
That's quite a claim. We didn't have all the information about the accident. Is there any way we can resolve this matter?
Well, Mr. Simpleton, it looks like you and your co-host better strap on your spurs and get ready for out in the courtroom. This ain't no Wild West, but it sure feels like a high noon showdown.
Wait, you mean we need to lawyer up?
That's right, partner. You don't want to go into this rodeo without a legal wrangler by your side. It's going to be a bumpy ride, and you'll need a trusty steed to navigate those legal lassos.
I guess we'll have to round up a lawyer then. Thanks for the advice, Mr. Cassidy.
You have a good day, sir. See you in court. Make sure you pack a lunch. Bye.
Guy, this is not good. I mean, we are boned. These guys sound serious. A showdown in court? I don't know the first thing about legal wrangling.
Wait, Stephanie. I got an idea. We are in contact with an organization that must deal with lawsuits day in and day out. We should ask the VoiceBox company for contact with one of their lawyers.
Guy, seriously. The VoiceBox's lawyers, do you have some kind of coupon with them or something? It's like you use every service they offer.
All right, Steph, I'm on the VoiceBox's website now. Let's see what services they offer. Yes. Here it is. Legal drama.
Legal drama? What's that all about?
It says they specialize in legal matters for podcasts, television, and film. Well, that seems perfect for our situation. And look here, they have a lawyer named Kevin Sperry available. I'll go ahead and book him.
Guy, seriously, an internet lawyer. How good can an internet lawyer be? I get the coupon thing, but should we discount our chance to win as well?
Hey, they've got good reviews, and we've got to work with what we've got. Plus, Kevin Sperry seems experienced in legal drama. Let's give it a shot, Steph.
Guy, don't forget about those Amazon and Apple emails we found earlier. Maybe we should focus on getting those sorted out since the other email seems like a bit of a wash.
You're right, Steph. Let's tackle the issues we can actually do something about. I'll reach out to Amazon and Apple to see if we can resolve those mysterious charges.
This is Apple ringing right now.
Hello, full support.
Hello, this is Guy Simpleton, and I received an email about some charges on my Apple account.
Hello, Mr. Simpleton. I'm Jack Wilson, an Apple representative. How can I assist you today?
Wait a minute. Jack Wilson, you're the same guy who called our show earlier pretending to be an auto warranty scammer. Are these charges even real?
Oh, Mr. Simpleton, you must be mistaken. I assure you I'm indeed an Apple representative. There must be some confusion here. Let's focus on resolving these charges for you.
That's my grandson. Guy, is that you?
Nana, what are you doing there?
Well, sweetheart, it's quite the story. You see, Jack Wilson is my boyfriend now, and we've been dating for a week. I've been making some serious bank as a phone operator. One of those super sexy pants adult phone operators. It is called the Silver Cougar. That's when I fell in love with Jack. We've been hooking up at the Flea Bitten Motel.
This is just like the last time you fell for those scammers. Remember when you thought you'd won the lottery and they emptied your bank account?
Well, Jerry, this time it's different. Jack is such a charmer. He's been so sweet to me.
All right, Nana, we'll talk about this later. I need to wrap up the call now.
Well, I hope Jack Wilson is wrapping it up. There is a built-in warranty on the classic automobile he is packing his luggage into.
Hey, is that Stephanie? Is she still interested in the extended car warranty?
Are you serious, Jack? You should be concentrating on finding a pharmacy or something.
For some strange reason, my happy spot is burning. I got to go.
Wait, what's that sound? Oh no, it's Mewowzers. I completely forgot about her during all of this. I've got to apologize to her. Well, folks, that was unexpected. I think it's time to wrap up today's episode. We've had quite the roller coaster of a show, from lawsuits to surprising family revelations.